Hello everyone, very good evening. My name is Deepak Arora and I would like to introduce myself. By profession, I am a wellness coach, or you can call it a nutrition advisor. This is my very first video on YouTube. So, I would like to start my YouTube journey by sharing my story with you. So by background, you can say I was a software engineer, and I was doing the work in the field of marketing as my initial job. And due to my lifestyle, I reached a weight of about 90 kgs and the waistline of about 42 inches. So I was very much interested to lose my weight, and as many of my friends recommended that you just join the gym and definitely you'll be able to lose weight. So I was very desperate that I went to my gym and enrolled myself for the gym membership. What happened next is definitely a very interesting thing, as most people would lose around 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg weight in 1 month. Surprisingly, I lost approximately 8 kgs of my weight because I much very much intense about the workout which my trainer recommended me. But the routine was such that it was very much a difficult regime for me to follow, as in the morning my workout routine included 2 hours of morning workout daily, and dinner I only ate fruits and vegetables. So I lost a whopping 8 kg of weight within a 1 month, but due to the very difficult regime, I was unable to continue for the next month. And as most of us would do, I just dropped out on that plan. But as this thing might have happened with a lot of you as well, that when I lost that gym routine, I surprisingly gained 10 kgs the very next month, and my waistline went to 46 from 42. It increased by 4 inches. And then again I went back to my work, and after those efforts went in vain, I was very much discouraged, and you can say I almost gave up and accepted that my health would never change, and I would have to live with this figure all my life. But then, surprisingly, you don't know, from somewhere, or you can say from the God, one angel came into my life, and I don't know what was the day and what was the time at that moment, and that unknown person asked me that whether I would like to lose some weight. I was very much negative about all those things because earlier I had tried and I had failed. But I don't know what happened at that moment. I decided to give it a one more chance. I was not knowing anything about the diet or exercise or anything, but I just wanted to give it one more try and change myself. And that, my friends, I would say is the best ever decision that I have ever made in my life. I would say that very proudly, because the reason is, when I joined into a new weight loss routine, this time it did not include so much of difficult regime. It did not include the intense 2 hour workout every day. It did not include starving myself or having only fruits and vegetables at night. The beauty of this routine was I was eating all day long. I was having a very good breakfast. I was having enough my lunch. I was having a beautiful dinner at night, and I lost approximately 4 kgs in 1 month. Now, what was the difference? I would like to tell you, when I lost weight through gym and when I lost weight through this new routine. That is, earlier when I lost 8 kgs in 1 month, my trainer told me that you have to do more exercise to lose more weight. And that is the mentality I guess most of the Indians have when it comes to losing weight. That is, the more you exercise, the more you lose weight. But it does not happen that easy. So then, when I lost weight 4 kgs, what was the additional thing that I got was education about the nutrition. I am sure this is a one term which I was not aware of, coming from the background of the software engineer family, that what is nutrition. I was not knowing anything until I lost 4 kgs in 1 month utilizing that routine. After I lost 4 kgs, what was the difference? that I was feeling more lighter in my stomach. I was feeling a lot more energetic when I was weighing that much high weight, and I was feeling very much positive about myself. The reason was, after I figured out, that was the optimum nutrition that my body was getting, that my every cell was getting every single day, and that was a result of that. And after that, when I lost my weight, I continued my journey, and I lost a total of 21 kgs, and I lost 6 inches from my waistline. And today you can see I am in front of you, and that is the reason I decided there are a lot of people like me who are trying to lose weight, who go to gym, and like me, when they don't get results, they give up, they get discouraged. And there are a lot of people who want to improve their health. There are a lot of people who are suffering from many type of you can say NCD, that is non-communicable diseases, and they don't have anyone to guide. There is a very much scarcity of the professional wellness coaches, and the definition of professional wellness coach is something, a person who can help you in your physical, mental, spiritual well-being, and there are a lot of other aspects as well. So I decided to choose and become a wellness entrepreneur, and from that day till date I am working as the independent professional wellness entrepreneur. I help people to achieve good health. I help people to achieve good mental health. If they have, I also help people to improve their social health as well. And I would like to share my views, my opinion, whatever knowledge I have gained over the years with all of you, my YouTube family. So this is my first video. In the coming videos, I will start with the first topic, that is, what is wellness. Many of us are not aware with what this topic is, that is wellness. So first I would like to familiar with this term wellness. Everyone is familiar with illness, but there are very less people who are familiar with this word. So I would like to introduce that what exactly wellness is and what exactly the role of a wellness coach is. So thank you very much for listening. For the time being, bye bye, and wait for my next video. Thank you.